Hello everyone, myself Sayyed Rubina. I heartily welcome you in our English digital learning classes. Students, last week we have studied 1.4 Children are going to school. In that, we have studied how natural elements are welcoming to students. I hope that you must have that poem very well. Now, this week, I am going to teach you our next topic 1.5, a Kabaddi match. Before teaching that lesson, I want to tell you some important points related to Kabaddi. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries so that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. Now students, let's see that how players are playing Kabaddi. Listen it carefully. In Kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. The game is usually played in two halves with a half-time break in between. After the break, the teams exchange their sides in the court. To play the game, each team sends raiders across the midline to the other team. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side all in one breath. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant Kabaddi Kabaddi all the time. If he has to inhale again, he is out. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the raider manages to go back successfully, all the persons he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points alone. The team with the maximum points wins the match. So, students, here I hope that you must have understand how to play Kabaddi game. I know that you are playing this game in school. The game of Kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice, and above all, great determination. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at Kabaddi. Would you like to be an ace Kabaddi player when you are a little older? Who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory for your school, district, or even the state and the country. Students, It is said that health is wealth. No doubt. If you are having good health, that is only your big property. Children, now you know that because of the lockdown, we are staying at home because corona disease is spreading all over the world. So, many experts and scientists suggest us that we should increase our immunity. Then, how we can improve our immunity? We can improve our immunity by eating good food, healthy food, or by playing outdoor game also. So here I am suggesting you, if you will play kabaddi, your muscles will become strong and definitely your immunity will increase. So in this way I am suggesting you, after lockdown, not now. Again I am saying not now, after lockdown you can play kabaddi in your school or even in your colony. Children, when you are playing game, don't think about losing or winning. In the game, participation, determination and passion, these are the most important thing. This thing we will study in our next session. In that I will explain you one kabaddi match which is played between the student of 9th A and 9th B. Students, in the homework, write down an essay about my favorite game. Thank you for listening.